I'm Leah. I'm a licensed esthetician and I own skinBEAUTIFULRX.com. If you have mature skin, then I made this video just for you, so please stay tuned. As we age, our skin naturally undergoes changes like losing elasticity, becoming dull, drier, and showing signs of fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation. However, with the right skincare products and routine, it's so possible to maintain healthy, radiant skin. The key really lies in understanding what mature skin truly needs on a cellular level. It needs deep hydration, collagen support, gentle exfoliation, and antioxidant protection. I'm going to talk about my 5 essential skincare products that I recommend all people who are struggling with getting the life back to their skin when they have mature skin. When they're done using these products, their skin is healthy, rejuvenated, hydrated, and bright. Okay, the first thing we're gonna start with is Calcium Multi-Action Cream. This is a super powerful anti-aging treatment that's retinol-free, which makes it a great option to add into any routine, especially when retinol can't be used when skin is fragile, thin, and dry. Instead of relying on retinol, when we utilize the Calcium Multi-Action Cream, we're relying on growth factors and peptides to help visibly lift, firm, and brighten. I actually call this my facelift in a jar. What really makes this product unique when utilizing growth factors is that they're ethically sourced from umbilical cord lining. They encourage healthy skin on a cellular level and also provide consistent cell renewal. This increases plumpness, elasticity, which are fundamental properties of youthful skin. These growth factors specifically also signal your skin to increase its natural ability to create hyaluronic acid, which as we mature, slows down. This natural boost of hyaluronic acid immediately helps to often soften fine lines and wrinkles and crepey skin. This also includes linoleic acid and vitamin E, which provide not only antioxidant support, skin softening, but strengthen the skin's barrier and protect it against future damage. It's truly one of our best growth factor products that we sell for a reason. The next product I'm going to be talking about, and one that I personally use and it's loved by all ages and skin types, but I especially like it for mature skin, is going to be SkinAid. And oops, it's upside down. And this product also not only comes in pre-mixed jugs like this, but also in packets that you can pour into for travel into your own water. SkinAid is a product that fights aging and enhances youthfulness from within. And it's going to work by boosting your body's natural production of hyaluronic acid and collagen production. The main benefit of SkinAid over tablets or other types of collagen is that it's clinically proven to have an increased absorption rate by our bodies. You're consuming the same levels of nutrients and peptides that would take other brands taking 20 times the amount daily serving of just one SkinAid. Drink works super quickly to deliver these micronutrients to effectively rebuild, strengthen the skin's collagen matrix, which will equal skin firmness and elasticity. It also works again by stimulating your natural hyaluronic acid reserves within the dermal layer of our skin, which immediately helps the skin to look plump, radiant, and beautiful. So if your skin is super crepey, dehydrated, itchy, dry, or scaly, within a week of using SkinAid, you will see a drastic difference. Next up, I could not make this video without talking about an at-home tool that delivers in-office results. This is the oh, that's not it. Hold on. This is the Time Master Pro, which is something you can utilize in office with your facial treatments or at home now, giving you pro results at home. The Time Master Pro is designed to give you toning, firmness and plumpness back to the skin. It utilizes low frequency ultrasound, LED light therapy, and low level electric pulse stimulation for your muscles. This stimulates your cells, tones the muscles of your face, increases skin circulation. By increasing these energy levels, it actually stimulates increased cellular turnover, strengthening of the muscles, which will help to firm the skin, and stimulates collagen production, which is essential for healthy, youthful bounce. This is something that decreases as we age. So having an at-home tool that really makes the skin work like it did when it was youthful is essential. You can start by using this every day and then just go to a few times a week. I also really love using this with a hydrating sheet mask, which also can help if you are somebody sensitive and working this into a new routine. When we talk about aging, we obviously have to talk about other parts of the body that show our age first. What I just showed is back, and this is the Omnilux hand glove. This is a product that focuses not only on external but internal aging and rejuvenation, that also helps with pain and inflammation that can also make skin age faster. The Omnilux Contour LED glove is a, again, non-invasive, pain-free way to turn back the clock. From the outside, when using the LED glove, you will see increased luminosity and a decrease in fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to improve the look of hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. But under the skin is really where the magic happens. By increasing cellular energy, it helps to repair tissues, calms nerve activity, and increases endorphins that promote rejuvenation and anti-aging, which is also your body's natural pain relief. I chose Omnilux over other LED treatments because it has over 20 years of clinical research, clinical studies before and afters, and it's a product that my clients already know and love. It offers amazing results. You can get the glove, it has a chest and neck, or just the facial treatment. I also highly recommend utilizing our Altura Mist with this product for even increased cell vitality, brightness, anti-aging, hydration, and plumping. It is an anti-aging workhorse. Now that we've talked about face, devices, hands, we obviously have to talk about the neck and chest, because these areas are what people look at first and really can notice signs of aging, places that we've just taken more environmental hits. So you definitely need a neck and décolleté routine, and there's no better one to talk about than my own personal favorite and one that I personally use. Now we have a lot of neck treatments, but I'm highlighting Alastin's Neck Complex because it's just one that I always go back to, and I personally find that it gives me the best results. And of course, as we know, the neck and chest are show first signs of loss of elasticity, sun damage. As you can see, I'm working on my own. I just gave myself a peel and she's a little red, but this is the things we have to do. Of course, it's the first signs to show crepiness. The Alastin Restorative Neck Complex, designed with active peptides, clear out old, damaged, unusable collagen and increase cellular rejuvenation and production of new elastin. This is going to help you get that youthful look by tightening the skin, improving texture, fine lines, and deeply hydrating and moisturizing. Potent antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids will help minimize redness in the skin and sun damage that is common in the chest area, while also increasing, again, our natural reserve of hyaluronic acid. This truly helps all aspects of anti-aging, maintain or refine that healthy, youthful, plump looking skin of the neck and chest. When it comes to anti-aging, it truly takes a village. That's why I really wanted to highlight 5 products that I know works. I really hope if you're new to my channel, this video was super helpful. If you're not new to my channel, thank you guys for being here with me today, and I hope you loved this video. No matter if you have mature skin or you're brand new to skincare, all of these products will work to either rejuvenate 2 years prior or to keep that consistent healthy skin long term. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have any question, as always, please let me know below. I will link everything in the discussion box. Thank you guys so much for being here.